Hey everybody, what is going on? All right, so here's what we are going to do in this video. I've seen some comments in Facebook groups about how to take a real ugly link. Maybe it's your system.io affiliate link, maybe it's a Calendly link, uh, a Setmore link. Trying to think of just links that you're trying to share. Could be just another affiliate link that you're using, right? And they're long and they're ugly and they're not very shareable. One way of attacking this to make them a little bit more user friendly is to use like something like Bitly or Tiny URL. But if you're wanting to have something that's more branded, here's how you would set up something that would be like mydomain.com/system for your system affiliate link, or mydomain.com my affiliate link. And we can do that with Cloudflare. I've done a handful of videos on Cloudflare this week, and it is possible to set up, which is what is essentially a forward. You're basically saying anyone that goes to mydomain.com/system, send them to, and then you would put the affiliate link for your system account there. And then you would have anybody that goes to mydomain.com/schedule, send them to my Calendly link. All right. So let's pop over to Cloudflare and let me show you how to set this URL forwarding or a redirect up in Cloudflare. All right. Let's pop on over. So we're in our Cloudflare overview. I've got my one account set up here for successwithmemberships.com. Okay. What you want to do is over here on the far right is a option for rules. You can either just click on it or you can click on the arrow. Either one's going to expand it. And once it's expanded, you want to go down, you want to click on page rules, almost to the very, very bottom, second from the bottom. Click on page rules. The free version of Cloudflare gives you 3 page rules. And so this isn't something you're going to be able to use if you have a bunch of affiliate links that you want to set up, but at least for a smaller business with just a handful of things that you need to redirect to, this is a perfect solution. Okay, so we're going to go over here to click on the blue create page rule. All right, and then the URL. This is where you would put the URL, and they give you an example, and they pulled my actual website in as the example. One thing I want you to notice here is the asterisk at the end. You want to use an asterisk at the end. What that does is that if someone goes to www.mydomain.com/system and then they type IO at the end, it'll still go. If they do system and then a / at the end, it'll still go. So that asterisk is to basically say if they've typed in mydomain.com/system, doesn't matter what they enter after that, it's always going to go to that system affiliate link that you've got set up in the forward. All right. So that asterisk is recommended, and I would say go ahead and put it in there. So in this case, again, we're going to do www.successwithmemberships.com/system, and again that asterisk. Right now in here, what we want to do is we're going to use this drop down. And we're going to scroll all the way down, and what we're looking for is the URL redirect. Oh, I took that. I lied. What we're looking for is forwarding URL. Okay. Next is over here on the select item drop down. Click on that, and you want a permanent redirect. Basically, what you're saying is this thing's not going anywhere. This needs to be there for as long as this rule's present. We want it permanent. All right. So in this case, if we go and we look at our ugly link that we've got for system, going to pull that over. Again, it's not a pretty link at all. I'm going to pop it in. If I was trying to memorize that, I don't know about you all, I'm not going to be able to memorize that. But I will be able to memorize this. I can tell people, hey, go to successwithmemberships.com/system. That's easy. I can remember that. This here, there's no way I'm going to remember that. So this makes things a little bit more branded, a little bit easier to share, and again, just a little bit more user friendly for people to use and get to your stuff, right? So that's it right there. Now what we're going to do is click on Save and Deploy Page Rule. Okay, we're not done yet. In my previous Cloudflare videos, I've mentioned that in the DNS settings, we want to make sure that everything is set to DNS only. I have to backtrack a little. That's not the case. And it could be that maybe we have to have everything set to DNS only just until, and again, this is for system.io users, just until everything's finally propagated with system.io and is working correctly. Because we want these to, the only way this is going to work is if they're moved back to proxy. I know, confusing. In the past, when I was setting things up for system.io, it just seemed like if they were unproxied, it wouldn't work. And it could be that they still don't work. Maybe they need to go to DNS only first, and then once everything's propagated, we can move these back to proxied. But in this case, I've done some testing, and we can move them back to proxied. And here's what you need to do. Go up here to your DNS settings. Again, you can either just click on the DNS or you click on the drop down. Doesn't matter. Anywhere you click in there, it's going to expand it, right? Once in here, we're going to go to records. And right in here, I had all three of these set to DNS only. Now this top one doesn't let me switch it. It's stuck on DNS only. It doesn't let me switch it. All right. But these ones here, if it says DNS only, you want to go over to edit and you want to click on the checkbox to check it to proxy. All right. So these right now, I'm going to click on cancel because this is all set up right now the way it needs to be. So if you've gone and set up that forwarding URL and it's not working, this is why. All right. So now what we want to do is we want to go and test that. All right. The link that we just created was successwithmemberships.com/system. So if everything's working properly, it should get to, and let me pull this up real quick. This is the link right here that if I just share that link just like that, it's going to open up system.io. And if someone goes and signs up and decides right away, hey, I want a paid plan, you'll get the affiliate commission for that, right? So this is where we should end up landing when we do successwithmemberships.com/system. And again, right here, I could even do IO. And let's just test it. Boom. That's it. Look at this. Look at the link. That's my affiliate link. All right. So you're set. You're now all set up. That's how you go and take an ugly link. Maybe it's for your Calendly. Maybe it's for your Setmore calendar. Maybe it's for system.io affiliate link, or maybe it's for another affiliate link. That's how you take an ugly link and set it up a forwarding URL in Cloudflare. Now, if you are liking these system.io videos, we have a whole playlist for you. Go check out that playlist and have an awesome day.